Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we will learn how to customize the functions of our project, edit the workflow, and add our own fields. The Jira platform gives the user simple opportunities to change the configuration and business processes of the project. So let's get started. First of all, let's configure our project. To do this, click on the Project Settings button on the left panel. On the project configuration page, we can edit the desired project options, add a description, project avatar, indicate project type and category. To set up the business processes, you can use the workflow window, which is accessed by clicking on the button here in the left panel. But if you use the project type for a large company, you can find workflow button in the left panel. To start editing the workflow, you need to click on the pencil icon next to the workflow button. Now we are on the workflow page. We can proceed with creating a workflow diagram by adding or removing project workflow stages and statuses. So let's get started. When your workflow diagram is ready, apply it to your project using the publish button right here. To test your workflow, try creating a ticket and run it from start to finish. If everything is right, the statuses will be exactly the same like in your workflow diagram. Now let's learn how to add specialized fields to the tickets. To do this, let's go to the custom fields section on the left. Before that, by the way, you can use the same actions like me for setting up custom fields if you have a project for a large company, because this type of project are more advanced and have much more settings. But if you know another way to do this for small projects, write me in the comments. So let's get started. Custom fields creation. Jira provides the ability to select any specific field, so let's go to the settings and create some field. Tap create custom field. You can choose any field type you want. I will use short text. In the next window, we enter the name and short description of the field, like impacted area. Now we have to choose the screens with which our field will be associated. We will select the screens that we will assign it to our project when it was created. So it will be Scrum bug screen and Scrum default issue screen. And then tap to update. I will show you later how to find out the screen type in the settings. You should go to the issue type screen schemes and find your screen type. Now we can go and try to create an issue to check how our custom field has been added into it. Looks like something went wrong and our custom field is not visible. I will show you how to solve this problem, so let's go to the project settings and find how to solve that. tap here and find impacted area custom field. Then tap to required. And now we can try again to create an issue and check how our custom field has been added into it. So looks like everything is fine and our custom field is visible now. So great. As a result, we customized the interface of Jira and the project, modernized business processes for our purposes, and added new fields to the tickets. So thank you for your attention and see you soon. Bye bye.